This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essential prerequisites: Botpress 12 Plus running, API module enabled, and an API key created. Then make the first actionable call. Use curl or postman to get /API/v1/bots with your key and authorization header. This proves connectivity and permissions. Once done, note response shape so you know which endpoints to call next. Make sure to run calls from a machine that can reach the Botpress server and log raw responses. Next, you wire authentication and identify endpoints. You send a bearer token in the authorization header so the server recognizes your client. Then call the right endpoints: Converse for runtime messages, Q&A for knowledge, flows for flow management, matching the JSON payload the API expects. Once done, attach a session ID or user ID to keep context between requests. Make sure to inspect error fields and responses. They explain invalid payloads or permission issues. Finish by deploying securely and adding resilience. You should run Botpress behind HTTPS and a reverse proxy, enable cores for allowed origins, and set rate limits. Then instrument monitoring, tail Botpress. Log and capture runtime traces to spot errors or slow responses. Once done, add retry logic with exponential backoff for 429 or 5xx responses, and always validate payload schemas before sending. If calls fail, check API keyscope and server time skew as the first troubleshooting tip. Many auth failures trace to those issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.